Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create Adyen account. So guys, click this option as you can see here. After that, write your first name and your email address, and you will click your email, business email, guys, and click your last name and first name and phone number and your website, guys, and enter here your basic information business from, for example, you are from United States, click this one and click this one, Alaska State, and write your message to sales and click by checking a box, I give my consent to Adyen. This is how you can click this option, get touch. This is how you can do, guys, to open account. Just write this information here, your website and your company and your state and this credential information and your currency volume, your processing volume and USD. And after that, click get in touch. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.